We want to find the quotient using the fraction strips provided below, where each fraction strip represents one whole. So here we have 3 divided by 3/4, which is asking us how many 3/4 are there in 3. Before we determine this specific quotient though, let's determine a quotient that would be too large and too small based upon the given quotient. Well, if we consider the quotient 3 divided by 1, this would be too small compared to 3 divided by 3/4, since 1 is greater than 3/4. And we know 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, so our quotient should be larger than 3. And now for a quotient that's too large, that's a little more challenging, but let's consider 3 divided by 1/2. There should be more 1/2s in 3 than 3/4 in 3, since 1/2 is less than 3/4. And again, 3 divided by 1/2 would be asking us how many 1/2s are in 3, which hopefully we recognize would be 6. So 6 would be too large of a quotient, and 3 would be too small of a quotient, which means our answer should be somewhere between 3 and 6. And now to consider our specific quotient, again we want to determine how many 3/4 there are in 3. To do this, we'll cut or partition each strip into fourths. Remember, each strip represents one whole. So if we cut or partition each strip into fourths, it would look like this. And now in this form, we can count the number of 3/4 in 3. So here we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So here's 1/3. Here we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So here's 2/3. And then here we have 1. And then here we have 1, 2, 3/4 again. That's our third 3/4. And then finally, notice how we have 1, 2, 3/4 again. So notice how we have a total of 4 3/4 in 3, or we can say there are 4 copies of 3/4 in 3, and therefore 3 divided by 3/4 equals 4. So using fraction strips can be a nice way to conceptualize what's happening when we divide a whole number by a fraction. I hope you found this helpful.